Have you heard about the upcoming eclipse but have no idea what to do? Then this video is for you. Welcome to Tips and Tricks for Surviving the Eclipse, kindly put together by our very own eclipse coordinator, Wayne Schlingman. What are you doing sitting around? Don't you have eclipse planning to do? Let's get started. Tip number 1, conserve your energy. As astronomers, this is a very exciting time and an excellent chance to engage with the public. But remember to not burn out early, as there will be a lot to do as we get closer to the eclipse.
So one of the really cool things that's going to happen during the eclipse is once the moon passes in front of the sun, you're going to be able to see these 5 visible planets all in a line here. Isn't that great? So when the moon passes in front of the sun, you're going to be able to maybe see some planets. I mean, probably not. It's probably going to be cloudy, but they're there.
I don't know, guys. The moon, it's gonna like eat the sun or whatever. There's gonna be some lights in the sky. It's probably aliens, but you know, who cares?
I have a question. Can we see Uranus?
Amanda, no.
Also, make sure you get some eclipse glasses from Wayne. He got enough for everyone. Tip number 2, plan ahead. Eclipse day will be hectic as everyone will be scrambling into position and fighting for the best locations. Planning ahead can help you make the most of your day and avoid stress.
Hey, wait, I'm busy. Yeah.
Be prepared to leave early, so you can beat the traffic and get a good spot before everything fills up. Please remind your local theorists that something is actually happening so they don't miss it. Actually, go ahead and grab some extra glasses for friends and family. Wayne got us plenty, so be sure to take some extra. Tip number 3, practice viewing safety. If you are looking at the eclipse, make sure to have your eclipse glasses on. It may not hurt your eyes to view the eclipse, but it can still damage them. For the same reason, do not look at the eclipse through a telescope, as it will focus the harmful rays even more. Unless, of course, it is a solar telescope. Also, please take some extra eclipse glasses. Wayne got us so many. We don't care what you do with them. Get enough to give the entire city of Columbus a pair. Just take them off our hands. We hope you are looking forward to the eclipse and get to fully enjoy it. Special thanks to Wayne for all the work you've put into... Wayne?